Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn in your assignment in Google Classroom step by step. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything. First of all, go to the classroom.google.com or simply open your Google Classroom app on your phone. After opening it, sign in to your account. As you can see, I have already signed in. Then click the classwork tab at the top. Then find the assignment you want to submit and click on it. As you can see, my assignment is pending. Simply I will click on it. Click add or create to upload your files. As you can see here, simply click on add work and simply upload your document. Suppose this is my document, I will simply upload it. It will take few seconds to upload the document. After your assignment is published, simply click on turn in. After clicking on turn in, your assignment is now submitted. And that's how you turn in your assignment in Google Classroom. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and see you in the next one.